Hey everyone, CJ here with Diode Dynamics. Our HitchMount LED pod has become a go-to option for drivers who want a serious boost in rear visibility with a setup that installs in just a few minutes. And now, we're opening it up to even more vehicles. We're rolling out complete 4-pin compatibility built around a new harness specifically designed for 4-pin trailer connectors. Plug in the 4-pin connector for running and brake functions and add one quick tap for reverse. You'll mount either an SSC1 or a C1R pod into your hitch receiver. No adapters and no complicated wiring. It's the easiest way to add solid rear lighting to any 4-pin equipped vehicle. And once everything's connected, the first thing you'll notice is how much more you can actually see in reverse. The HitchMount adds a full 1000 lumen boost behind the vehicle, far beyond what most factory reverse bulbs put out on their own. You'll also get a red running light for added visibility to traffic. And if you choose the C1R, you'll add a dedicated high power fourth brake light for even more stopping visibility, with our built-in safety strobe feature enabled by default. If you prefer a solid brake light, you can disable the strobe by snipping the purple wire in the harness. For anyone who tows a lot or likes to keep the receiver open, our new 4-pin harness also opens up support for dual pod reverse light setups, similar to our reverse light kits. Add a DT splitter, mount a pair of C1, C2, C1R, or C2R pods with their U-brackets on either side of the bumper, and you've got a wide reverse lighting layout that stays clear of the receiver. It's a simple, effective option if you're looking to keep the receiver available, but also want to add a big increase out back. The hitch mount itself drops right into the receiver. Our patented snap-fit design locks the pod in place with no tools, and you can snip the tabs to add a locking pin if you want the extra security. Taking it off is just as quick. Press the tabs, slide it out, unplug the harness, and you're set. And just like the rest of our Stage Series lineup, the hitch mount is designed and assembled right here in the USA. It's built to handle daily driving, rough weather, and off-road use, all while staying tucked safely inside your hitch. And of course, it's backed by our limited lifetime warranty, so you can count on reliable performance for years to come. If you're tired of guessing what's behind you at night, the hitch mount gives you the clear, usable light your factory setup has been missing. You can check out our hitch mount or any of our other products at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thanks for watching.